Cup to the bottom of lemon juice. Hi guys! Today we're gonna be making 3 refreshing iced teas, and they are so perfect for the summer. And we're gonna be starting with our perfect lemon iced tea, then go on to a strawberry green tea, and then a mango lemon iced tea as well. So let's go ahead and start with our first recipe, and it's gonna be the lemon iced tea. All right, so we are gonna be starting with our regular lemon iced tea for our first drink. So first we're gonna go ahead and steep our tea. I'm using black tea here, but you can use any brand you like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and steep it for about 45 minutes. You can steep it for longer or for less, depending on how strong you like your tea. So I have some hot water in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my tea bag, and we're just gonna let it sit for about 4 to 5. In the meantime, while I'm just waiting for my tea to steep, I'm gonna make our base. So we are gonna be adding a spoon of lemon juice, goes in the tablespoon of lemon juice, then a tablespoon of our simple syrup. I made this just using equal parts sugar, equal parts water. It's just a little bit of a darker color today because I used golden brown sugar instead of like regular granulated white sugar. So in is gonna go our simple syrup, then in goes our ice. So I normally steep my tea with a little bit of hot water, and then I go ahead and add more cold water later on to keep it more cool that way. But you can always add, so I normally use about 3/4 cup of water in total for the whole drink, for just to make a single serving for one person. So, but you can always use more or less depending on how much you're preferring. All right, and my timer just went off, and I'm just gonna throw this out. So we can already see it's like, I'm not sure if you can see the steam coming out of it, but we can, since I already can see the steam, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cold water just to kind of cool it down for me, and so my ice doesn't melt as well. So here we go. Look at this. So this is our regular lemon iced tea. Taste test time. This is our lemon iced tea that we just made. It's a regular refreshing iced tea that has a little bit of hint of lemon as well. Very, very perfectly classic, very refreshing. Yeah, so good. So good. So perfect for the summer. Make them before summer ends as well. So perfect for the summer. And you guys, for our next one, it's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna be making a strawberry green tea iced, and it's gonna be so good. Let's go. First, I am gonna be steeping my green tea for 3 to 4 minutes, but I'm using tea bags here, but you can use anything you have or whichever you prefer. If you prefer loose tea or baked tea already, but I am gonna go ahead and steep this for 3 to 4 minutes for how I prefer it, but you can steep for longer or for less if you prefer that, and then it will come back and continue the recipe. All right, so I went ahead and put some strawberries in here with a little bit of water. And then you can blend this, but I am just gonna be using an immersion blender here to make it a little bit easier to clean. But you can absolutely use a blender or a food processor as well. But I'm just gonna blend it. I'm just gonna mix this up. And all right, and we're just gonna be adding, here's our strawberry puree that we made. And we're just gonna be adding this on to our desired cup to the bottom. Such a pretty color. Then I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of lemon juice. And goes that. And then a tablespoon of our sweetener as well. In goes the sweetener. Perfect. Give it a quick swirl. And then we're gonna be adding some ice. In goes in our ice. All that's left is gonna be adding our green tea. And for the last part is adding the green tea. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks gorgeous. So pretty. Our strawberry green tea iced tea. Whoa. Looks so good. This is so good. And for our final drink, we're gonna be doing a mango lemon iced tea. So first we're gonna be, again, going ahead, I'm gonna be using green tea in this, but you can use black tea or any other flavor green tea that you, or any other flavor of tea that you would like. But I'm gonna go ahead and steep some green tea again for 3 to 4 minutes, and I will be back. And so for our next part here, we're gonna be making our mango puree. So I'm just gonna be adding some mangoes into my immersion blender cup, and then, but you can blend it as well, or use even just like a food processor, that will work. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this up, and we will finish up the drink. Right, and I have my mango puree here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to my cup. I think I just made the right amount. Yeah, I believe the last drip of it. Awesome. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of lemon juice again, or as well, not again, as well. Here in goes our lemon juice, then a tablespoon of our sweetener. Perfect. Awesome. Give it a little swirl just to mix everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my ice. In goes the ice. For the final part, the green tea. Well, look at the color. Gorgeous. Another pretty iced tea. Here is our mango lemon iced tea. See the mango lemon iced tea. Whoa. These turned out all so good. Well, this, you guys, was our recipe of 3 different iced teas. So good, so refreshing for the summer. Let me know which one you guys enjoyed the most or which one you're gonna be trying down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Cheers!